Have you ever been surprised by how fluid art can come to life? Watch as I pour beautiful purple and blue colors and let the paint tell its own story. For this painting, I started by layering puddles of purple and blue on a white base. I let the paint fall gently onto the canvas, allowing the colors to blend and flow naturally. I use the blow dryer technique to spread the paint, giving it an effortless fluid feel. The cells that form during the drying process was just mesmerizing. Just like life, this piece is all about new beginnings, renewal, and fresh energy. The vibrant purples and blues feel like a second chance, and the white represents a clean slate for creativity to take root. Every time I look at this painting, it reminds me of how people always find a way to endure beautifully, even in the most unexpected ways. The results is more than just a painting. It's a moment of transformation. Every pour, tilt, and blow felt like watching the season change right before my eyes. Stay tuned for more fluid art surprises like this. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay creative. Keep painting. See you in the next video.